Hello everyone and welcome back. Well, I'm gonna get ready to get done and make the coquito. Same recipe as last year and the year before that and 20 years ago. So let me just get to it, okay? Okay, hubby's getting the pot of water. And we put it on the stove top.
How much water do you want? Just a little bit, right?
Like 4 cups, 4 to 5 cups. Yeah.
This is a big cup.
Yeah. Because remember, it starts evaporating.
That's like 8 ounces.
And there's a lot of milk for a little bit of tea. I think more.
Right.
Oh, yeah, because it's going to evaporate.
Yeah,
I would do half of it. Yeah, see? Perfect. Hold on. That is the water for the tea. And all the spices and everything I'm going to put in it. But let it get to a boil first. As soon as it comes to a boil, I'll come back to you guys, okay? Okay, we're going to start. See, it's boiling. See the boiling water? Yeah. Okay, we're going to start off with cloves. Actually, don't be stingy. And this is according to your taste, you know? Like, we barely ever measure. Cinnamon sticks. And it turns out delicious. Once you've been doing this for many years, you know, you already got it. Okay. That was like 4 or 5 cinnamon sticks. Yeah, like I said, I don't measure. Star anise. How about, yeah, those 4 for now. Maybe that'll be good enough. So we're gonna let that boil. Let that keep boiling. It already smells delicious in here, doesn't it, honey?
Yes, it does.
So when that has boiled down a little bit, we're gonna start with the milks and everything. Okay, hubby's gonna start off by opening a leche de coco, coconut milk. Oh, how beautiful that is. It smells so good.
You want me to pour it?
Of course. Straight into the blender. Oh my goodness. That is so beautiful.
No, this is thick.
What's that, evaporated milk?
Yes.
Oh, my favorite. I love evaporated milk. You have 2 cans there. Don't need 2 cans, right?
Right. Yeah, I noticed that.
It's my bad, sorry.
I noticed it.
Said I love evaporated milk so much, but wow, that's beautiful. See, it's better to do it in batches like that. Look at it already.
Of course. This is thick.
And now that's crema de coco, and this is the ultimate in thickness, so we need a spoon.
Definitely.
Okay. That's beautiful stuff right there.
Give me a spoon.
Okay.
Make sure.
With the other can. Okay.
Oh, it came right out.
Oh, look how beautiful. Get all that goodness.
Yeah, this is thick. Okay. Oh, this is thick.
Oh, wow.
This is thick too.
Oh, yes, sweetened condensed milk. Yes, sir. So much goodness.
Yeah, this is really thicker than that, actually.
Oh, wow. God, that's so good. Ooh.
See how easy it is?
Wow.
You want to get cut?
My goodness.
There's a lot.
That's good stuff.
Yeah, I didn't realize how much,
Yeah.
how thick it was and how much it comes out. Look at that.
Okay. Now we are going to blend all these ingredients. And I'm gonna spare you guys because this is really noisy, okay? Be right back. How does it smell, honey?
Marvelous.
Wow, look at that tea. Let's see. Look at that beautiful color. Yes, that's what we're looking for. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, hubby's gonna take the milk mixtures and pour it into that container. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. That is beautiful. We'll put some of the tea water in here to get the goodness. Okay? Sorry, honey.
I have to strain it though.
Yeah, he has to strain the tea.
Strain it up.
Okay, babe. You're gonna strain it now?
Yes.
Come on.
Strain it right now.
Right. You
Let me
remember.
put half of it or all of it?
Half. See that color? See how it changed everything? Ooh.
Yes,
And it smells good. Throw that back in there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. So he's gonna take a little spoonful and taste. What do you say?
On the money.
Of course.
Yep.
Ain't no fun if mama don't get none. Mmm. Oh my God.
That's good.
Absolutely delicious.
Yes.
Perfection. Okay, hubby's gonna add the rest of the tea to the milk mixture. Very nice. Nicely done, my love. Okay, my love, what are you going to add first? The nutmeg or the cinnamon?
Very good. Put some cinnamon.
Okay.
You'll need a lot. Let me know.
That is good.
Okay. Let me know.
Now the nutmeg. Perfect. Oops, I left it over there, sorry. So, hubby is gonna get this goodness and fill some jars. Yeah, we need the funnel. I'll have to hold it. It's okay, do the other ones for now.
See? This fit. Okay, now we leave that one for last.
Okay.
Just the big one's good for all this.
Yeah. Let me hold it.
I have it, baby.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes. That is what I am talking about, guys. That right there. Perfect. Okay. So good. So this is a tradition, like some people have eggnog. We have Coquito. Not to say that some Puerto Ricans don't like eggnog, because I have one of my children.
I like it.
Loves it.
I like it too.
He
Yeah.
loves it. Well, Shy likes it too, so does Jay. But this is a traditional thing.
That's, yeah.
This is our thing.
That's the difference.
Yeah, but you'd be surprised. Our friends, because I have made some for friends and they loved it.
Yeah, of course.
In Massachusetts.
They never had it.
Yep.
So of course they're going to love it.
I taught many a housewife, working woman, how to make coquito. That's when I lived in a nice suburban neighborhood. No crying. It was so beautiful. I miss it out there. But anyways, look at that. Hello. Perfection.
And I gotta move to oh, thank you.
You're welcome, my love. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's mine. Oh, let me stop.
Last time we made 2 batches. right through.
It smells so good in here. Whew.
Look at this. Perfecto.
1, 2, 3, 4 out of that batch. That's good. Let me show you guys. Yeah, that's perfect. Let me show you guys. Hold on. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
So
See,
far.
for that batch, it's not bad. If we need to make more, which more than likely we will, we'll do it another time, right, baby?
Look at that order.
That's it. That's all for now. That's Coquito. Just like every year. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, comment, rate, hit the notification bell, and share if you like. And until next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.